The Colombian tourist megadiversity would not be possible without the geographical and cultural conditions of the country. This added to the constant growth and urban improvement and an important development in health and business, allow Colombia to be the solution for all types of tourism, business, adventure, health, and cultural. In Colombia, you can find adventure trips, ecotourism, historical tourism, gastronomic tourism, cultural tourism, religious tourism, and sun and beach tourism. Now, each only will be explained. Diversity of practice such as rafting, kayaking, paragliding, canopy and rappelling, trekking, parachuting, and mountain biking enter the list of exciting plans that are live in Colombia. At present, Colombia is recognized as a multiple scene of adventure tourism in its different modalities. You can find adventure activities in the air. Paragliding. There is no better place to practice paragliding than Colombia. It is the best way to enjoy the landscapes and mountains of the country. The most recognized place to practice it are Voladero El Paraíso in Sopo, Cundinamarca, Voladero Los Trinos in La Calera, Anchovy Neusa Reservoir, Alto de las Cruces, Soacha, Cundinamarca, Valle del Cauca, and Santander Department. Price to practice are between 120,000 pesos and 150,000 pesos per person, including insurance, accompanying pilots, and flying crew. Hang gliding. Hang gliding is a device built to plan and perform unpowered flights. It can be done in Cerro de Matasanos, Antioquia, Cerro de las Águilas, Sopó, el Cerrito Valley in Santa Elena, Colombia, el Cerrito Valley in Roldanillo, Colombia, Palmira Valley in Vulture, Colombia. The approximate price is 350,000 pesos per person, includes the trips by boat to the place of takeoff, the flight with a professional pilot, and protective equipment. Ultralight. It is practiced in Flandes, Tolima. It is not a normal trip by plane. It is a more relaxed and safe trip. This is a light and low consumption sports plane. You can only make the tour of one person. The price for an 80-minute flight is 95,000 pesos per person. Adventure activities on land. Colombia has a mountain range with mighty rivers, lakes, mountains that even have ice and snow, and much more. The activities that can be carried out are speleology. This activity consists of exploring hundreds of meters underground, such as caves or caverns, knowing all the beauty and nature that there is inside there. This can be found in the department of Santander, Boyacá, and Antioquia. Many of these tours can be done without the need for a guide, so it's free. But if you want with a guide, it costs approximately 40,000 pesos per tour. There are several ideal places in Colombia where you can practice climbing. The most recognized are in the departments of Santander, Valle del Cauca, Antioquia, Boyacá, Cundinamarca, Magdalena, and the Coffee region. They usually make plans with different places to climb with price from 130,000 pesos and up. Hiking. Around Colombia, there are many trails to enjoy the fresh air, experience nature, and feel the emotion of climbing a hill. You can find cloud forests, swamps, rivers, snow-capped mountains and rural roads. We find these in the departments of Antioquia, Risaralda, Boyacá, Cundinamarca, Valle del Cauca, Santander, Quindío, Caldas, Magdalena, Chocó, Cauca, and San Andrés y Providencia. To go hiking, it can be done for free, exploring without a guide. With a guide, the cost is approximately 40,000 pesos per route. Mountain biking, it is a sport that has gained a lot of steam in Colombia because it can be practiced in a group, family, or individual. It consists of doing mountain bike through open fields in forests, deserts, mountains, and any natural outdoor setting. This sport has no cost to perform. Only if you want to rent the bicycle, it is for 30,000 pesos onwards. Horseback riding. Horseback riding in Colombia is made to enjoy natural circuits, passing valleys, narrow roads, rivers, and nature sites. They are usually carried out in rural areas. To do these tours are from 40,000 pesos onwards. Adventure activities in the water. In Colombia, there are many destinations where rivers, seas, and lagoons become scenarios for the practice of sports and activities. The sports that we can practice in the water are kayaking, diving, windsurfing, kite surfing, rafting, wakeboarding, jet skiing, and torrenting. For the practice of this sport, we find price from 60,000 pesos onwards, with those who provide the equipment and vehicles or floats to perform them. Ecotourism is related to having activities that have to do with nature, and for this, Colombia has many places where it can be done. Some places that can be found in Colombia are mud volcanoes, hot springs, humpback whales, pink dolphins, and the national system of protected natural areas. Places like the Nevados Natural Park, Gorgona National Natural Park, the Amazon, La Guajira, Puracé Volcano, Tayrona National Natural Park, Rosario Coral Islands, Caño Cristal, Salento, Jirijirimo Stream, Araraquara Amazon, and Iguaque Flora and Fauna Sanctuary are some of the best tourist sites that you can travel to in Colombia, with a great diversity of landscapes and places to visit. There you can find different activities to visit and get to know the places, hotels to stay, and restaurants with different types of food. These activities can be mountain biking or rock climbing. They have prices from 60,000 pesos onwards. Historical and cultural tourism in Colombia is rich in destinations and experiences because we have colonial places with clear heritage. Colombia has areas where its main tourist attraction is its historical value. We are going to name some cities and tourist places to visit. Cartagena de Indias is one of the most important tourist destinations in Colombia and Latin America. Tourism has become a potential factor in the city thanks to its natural attraction and rich history. In Cartagena, you can find the Spanish Baroque, the Spanish colonial architecture, and the neoclassical style, among others. The city has within its main destination historical places, such as the Castle of San Felipe, the Palace of the Inquisition, the Clock Tower, the walls, the colonial streets, and also natural beauties such as the beaches. The city of Bogota is the capital of the Republic of Colombia and the main tourist destination in the country, since it has various activities and cultural sites, is headquarters of important universities and hosts international events. The city also offers a wide variety of international food restaurants and places specializing in nightlife. It also highlights its parks, museums, shopping centers, and its architecture. Mompos, officially Historic and Cultural Special Tourist District of Santa Cruz de Mompos, is a district of Colombia in the department of Bolívar. The classic architecture of the Sevillian style, the romanticism that the streets keep, the facades of the majestic colonial house, and the kindness of its inhabitants make this town a magical place in Colombia that was trapped in time. Villa de Leyva, located in the department of Boyacá, is located to the east of Tunja, and its stone streets and wide facades receive travelers who arrive there. A Boyacá municipality that is part of the network of Colombia Heritage Towns and which is reached from Bogota in about 3 hours by land to the northeast of the city, is recognized for its colonial architecture and shares its history with those who visit it. Each corner of this beautiful town of Villa de Leyva has a story to tell you. The past in a live with its inhabitants who keep on their tradition. Popayán is a city with architectural and religious jewels that make it totally traditional. Temples and beautiful relics that show the history of religious communities since colonial times are some of the tourist places in this city. Known as the White City because during most of the 20th century the fronts of the houses and almost all the public buildings were painted white. Is considered the second cultural city in the country after Cartagena. Within the historic center of Popayán, there are almost all the monuments and sites of attraction for the visitor. Therefore, the most recommended is to visit them on foot. Santa Marta is located in Paradise, in the earthly paradise of the Colombian Caribbean coast. In the middle, a mountain of almost 19,000 feet high peaks at the top of the perpetual snow, and at its base submerged in the Caribbean Sea. The oldest city in South America, Santa Marta, perches coquettishly small and dreamy. Its wealth is innumerable. It has an unrivaled architectural heritage that evokes the time of the banana bonanza and a complex network of ecosystems in the Sierra Nevada. What is unique on the planet is the most visited tourist destination in the country, its colonial buildings, its hotels, infrastructure, the picturesque surroundings, and the white sand beach make it cozy and magical. The gastronomy of Colombia is the result of the fusion of practical foods and culinary tradition of the local European and African American Indian cultures. Although there is no consensus as to a single dish that represents all of Colombian gastronomy, the arepa and sancocho stand out as the more representative. Other outstanding regional dishes are the typical paisa trait of the Antioquia region, the ajiaco santafereño, the lechona tolimense and huilense, and cheese mote, among others. Around Colombia, you can enjoy diverse typical dishes influenced by the cultural and climatic diversity that extends from the Guajira to the Amazon and from the Pacific to the Eastern Llanos. All these dishes can be found in a variety of prices. In the Caribbean region, we can find dishes such as rice with coconut and shrimp, tamarindo balls, corozo huis, sancocho, egg arepa, and carimañola. In Bogota, we can find dishes such as ajiaco, fritanga, mazamorra chiquita, puchero santafereño, sancocho de gallina, tamal cuajada with melao, brevas with arequipe, almojábanas, and yuca bread. In Antioquia, the most recognized dish is the paisa tripe, but the fish tripe is also made, the antioqueño sancocho, the beans, and the mazamorra. And in Arauca, you can find the typical dishes of the llano among them: the picadillo criollo, Caribbean squid, sancocho de curito, roast pig, duck sancocho, veal roasted to the llanera, entreverado llanero, cachicamo or roasted armadillo, empantalonado of Galápago tortoise, pisillo de chigüiro, hallacas, milk chili, pisillo of dried fish, pira, squid corn, cachapas, and squid papaya. The cultural and artistic world is part of the heritage of Colombia in religious tourism. It is found in any corner of the country. This is a country where there is freedom to profess any cult or religion. In Colombia, the Catholic religion predominates the practices that attract the greatest numbers of people are the festival dedicated to Jesus Christ, the Saints, and the Virgin Mary, especially when they are patron of a particular town or city. Colombia has 21 religious cities typical of the Catholic religion, which are attractive for your visit in times of traditional religious festivities, and weekends have been organized in what is known as the Road of Five, which has been divided into 3 parts. The Andean one made up of Bogotá and Cundinamarca, Boyacá and Zipaquirá, Boyacá, Tunja, Chiquinquirá, and Villa de Leyva, and Norte de Santander, Pamplona. The Southwest made up of Nariño, Ipiales and Pasto, Cauca, Popayán, and Valle del Cauca, Cali and Buga. Colombia has a privileged location that allows it to have beaches of coral origin in the Caribbean Sea, as well as others formed by alluvial deposits in the Pacific. In them, the traveler has the opportunity to enjoy the softness of its sands, a sea of warm water throughout the year, and the view of the natural landscapes that surrounds it. The most recognized places for sun and beach tourism are San Andrés Island, Cartagena, Santa Marta, Guajira Islas, Providencia and Santa Catalina, Nuquí, Huanchaco and Ladrilleros, Capurganá, Sapsurro, Gulf of Morrosquillo, Solano Bay, Cabo de la Vela Tourist Corridor, and the Atlantic Coast. In Colombia, we can find a diversity in tourism. Despite the fact that nature tourism is the most recognized, there are also other types of tourism to visit Colombia. For any joints taster, visit Colombia and you will want to stay forever.